In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut your clips in DaVinci Resolve using the shortcut, because this makes your edit faster. Now we have this footage here. This is an AI footage. I created this for my AI channel. So let's use this to illustrate this video. Now, if I want to create a cut here at this point, the first thing I have to do is take my playhead to that point I want to create this cut. Make sure your playhead is there. Now hit Command B on your keyboard automatically to split this clip into two parts. Now beginning from the point that your playhead is located, I can now take this part to this other side while leaving this part this other side. In the same way, I can actually take this playhead to a new position on this other clip and hit Command B on the keyboard, and as well it split this clip into two parts, making it 3 clips all together. And we have gotten 3 clips from one clip. So let me undo now and show you the before. So this is actually the before. We had just a clip, but now this is the after. We have 3 clips. Now as well, you can use your razor tool, which is this one here, or you can just hit B on your keyboard to activate it. Take your razor tool to any point on your clip. It will create a cut for you with just a click. With just a click, you can create a cut on your clip. Now we have created different cuts on these clips, making it multiple clips from a particular clip. Now we can actually place it anywhere that we want, anywhere of our choice. We can now place it on different positions according to your preference. So guys, this is actually the basic way of creating a cut in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to learn more how to use DaVinci Resolve, please subscribe to this channel because I bring DaVinci Resolve tutorials only. See you next week.